watch includes the following counties in Texas: Val, Bosque, Real, Falls, Hill, Limestone, McClintock, Milam, and Robertson. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Your showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe, then some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall. Humidity flows in the upper 60s. Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McClellan County in central Texas, east central Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Limestone County in central Texas, Hill County in central Texas, southwestern Ellis County in north central Texas, southwestern Navarro County in north central Texas, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located from Whitney to Hillsborough to Milford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hillsborough and Aquila Lake around 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Malone, Rock Creek, Watt, Dressing, Avalon, Irene, Prairie Hill, Golson, Aquila, and Peoria. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 331 and 369, Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 2, Interstate 35A between mile markers 371 and 385. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Heavy rainfall. Humidity flows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, southeastern Ellis County in north central Texas, southern Johnson County in north central Texas, Somerville County in north central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cleburne, Ennis, Hillsborough, Glen Rose, Whitney, Palmer, Italy, Itasca, Grandview, Meridian, Laguna Park, Bardwell, Bloom, I already know, Alma, Pine Falls Gap, Covington, Carl's Corner, Lake Whitney, and Lake Whitney State Park. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Some thunderstorms may be severe, then some thunderstorms may be severe with heavy rainfall. Humidity flows in the upper 60s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Muskie County and central Texas, southern Hill County and central Texas, central McLennan County and central Texas, western Navarro County and north central Texas, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waco, Corsicana, Belknap, Hillsboro, Woodway, Lacey Lakeview, Clifton, West, Beverly Hills, Hubbard, Laguna Park, Valley Mills, Boone Grove, Dawson, Crawford, Colesburg, Pine Falls Gap, Berry, Bingham, and Aquila Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Now let's check on your highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central McLennan County and Central Texas, Freestone County and Central Texas, Limestone County and Central Texas, southern Navarro County and north central Texas, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coolidge, or 13 miles northwest of Mejia, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Coolidge around 4:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Mejia around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Teague around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Oak Valley, Watt, Dressing, Fallon, Streetman, Richland, Doney, Corbett, Prairie Hill, and Millard. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 338 and 340. Interstate 45 between mile markers 185 and 234. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current with thunderstorms likely. Showers likely. Highs in the lower 80s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McLennan County and central Texas, northwestern Falls County in central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Crawford, or 9 miles northwest of McGregor, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crawford around 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waco and McGregor around 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Woodway and Lake Waco around 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hewitt around 4:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Robinson and Lorena around 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Galena around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Otto, Willow Grove, Morville, Asa, Spring Valley, Perry, Youngsville, Sutton, Chilton, and Tomlinson Hill. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 317 and 337. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Flood depths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Limestone County and Central Texas, southern McLennan County and Central Texas, south central Navarro County and north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warm area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Waco, Corsicana, Hewitt, Robinson, Woodway, Mejia, McGregor, Mark, Beverly Hills, Loretta, Bruce, Riesel, Coolidge, Galinda, Hallsburg, Angus, Trading House Creek Reservoir, Lake Creek Lake, and Lake Mejia. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The current time is 4:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. County and Central Texas, southern Limestone County and Central Texas, northeastern Falls County and Central Texas, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Marlin, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This thunderstorm will be near around 5:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Twin Oak Reservoir around 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Camp Creek Lake around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Otto, Seal, Easterly, Reagan, New Baden, Ball Prairie, Thornton, Highway, Coss, and Wheelock. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Drive on flooded roads. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Waco metropolitan area. Severe. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Falls County and Central Texas, Limestone County and Central Texas until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated sensors. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Marlin, Groesbeck, Bristol Eddy, Rosebud, Lott, Galena, Fort Parker State Park, Lake Limestone, Chiltern, Thornton, Wilson, Coffs, McClanahan, Otto, Reagan, Erie, Ben Hur, High Bank, Cedar Springs, and Tomlinson Hill. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now 7 p.m., May 30th, 2024. Today's high temperature was 92 degrees and the low 60s.
Yes, sir.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Hamilton County in central Texas, EAS County in north central Texas, eastern Eastland County in north central Texas, west central Bosque County in central Texas, Comanche County in central Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gorman near Comanche, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near to Leon and Proctor Lake around 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doubling around 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Stephenville around 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Highfield around 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Wolfdale around 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Iredell around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Alexander, Kokomo, Claret, Owen, Staff, Harbin, Lingoville, Duster, Duffel, and Edna Hill. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 340 and 347. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. The current time is 9:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Hamilton County in central Texas, Somerville County in north central Texas, southeastern Ralph County in north central Texas, northwestern McClellan County in central Texas, north central Correo County in central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north central Texas, Bosque County in central Texas, western Hill County in central Texas, until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Dinosaur Valley State Park to 8 miles east of Hamilton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Iredell and Cranfield's Gap around at 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Glenrose around 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Meridian and Meridian State Park around 10:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Clifton around 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Whitney around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Valley Mills around 11:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Laguna Park in Bloom around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake Whitney State Park around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pancake, Olin, Brazos Point, Cedar Shores, Whiteway, Duval, Curse Springs, Morgan, Rainbow, and Retreat. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall. Thunderstorm warning for southern Hamilton County and central Texas, northwestern Correo County and central Texas, northeastern Mills County and central Texas until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Mullen, or 17 miles south of Comanche, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southern Hamilton, northwestern Correo, and northeastern Mills counties, including the following locations: Shives, Pretty, Pramila, Whiteway, Aylman, Indian Gap, Pearl, South Pramila, Lee House, and Ireland. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with